Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Mirazi. Today I'll be presenting the paper in images with 16 by 16 words, Transformers for Image Recognition at Scale by Dovinsky and colleagues. This was published at ICEOR 2021 by Google Research. This paper introduces the Vision Transformer or the VIT and investigates whether a standard transformer architecture can replace convolutional neural networks for large-scale image recognition. This paper is important because while transformers have become dominant in the natural language processing, computer vision remained largely dominated by convolutional neural networks. The authors ask a fundamental question: are convolution-specific inductive biases actually necessary for vision, or can transformers learn everything directly from data if scaled sufficiently? The core problem addressed in this paper is how to apply transformers directly to images. Images are two-dimensional grid, while transformers expect one-dimensional sequence. If we apply self-attention naively over pixels, the computational cost grows quadratically with the number of pixels, making it infeasible. So the central challenge is, how can we fit images into transformer efficiently without using convolutions and still compete with CNN-based models? Solving this problem could enable a unified transformer architecture across vision and language. The key idea of vision transformer is to treat images similarly to text. Instead of pixels, the image is divided into fixed sizes, non-overlapping patches, typically 16 by 16 according to this paper. Each patch is flattened and linearly projected into an embedding vector. Positional embedding are then added so the model can reason about spatial relationships. This converts image recognition into a sequence modeling problem that can be handled by a standard transformer. Once patch embeddings are created, they are passed through a standard transformer encoder composed of multi-head self-attention, MLP blocks, residual connection, and layer normalization. A learnable classification token, similarly to bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, classification token is added to the sequence, and its final representation is used for image classification. Unlike CNNs, VIT has almost no built-in inductive bias for locality or translation equivariance. Instead, it must learn these image properties directly from data, which is the key trade-off in this approach. To evaluate whether scale can compensate for the lack of inductive bias, the authors perform large-scale supervised pre-training. They train VIT models on ImageNet with 1.3 million images, ImageNet 21K with 14 million images, and the much larger JFT 300M dataset with over 300 million images. They also experiment with multiple model sizes, ranging from visual transformer base to visual transformer huge, and then they fine-tune these models on downstream vision tasks. The results show that when pre-trained on JFT 300M, which has 300 million images, vision transformers outperform state-of-the-art convolutional baselines. The main baseline BIT ResNet model trained with supervised learning and efficient NetL2 training using noisy student supervision. Noisy student supervision is a semi-supervised learning method where a model generates labels for unlabeled data and is then retrained with noise, leading to stronger generalization. Visual Transformer H/14 achieves 88.55% accuracy on ImageNet while using roughly 4 times less compute than BIT-L. It also achieves state-of-the-art performance on Cypher 100 and the VTEL benchmark, demonstrating strong generalization. An important insight from the paper is the role of data scale. On small datasets, Vision transformers underperform CNNs because CNNs benefit from strong built-in inductive biases. However, as the size of the pre-training dataset increases, visual transformers performance improves dramatically, and overtakes CNNs. A key non-intuitive result from is that transformers can learn spatial structures and locality purely from data without convolutional inductive bias if trained at sufficient scale. Beyond accuracy, the authors also analyze computational efficiency. Across a wide range of compute budgets, vision transformers achieve similar or better performance other than ResNet-based models while using 2 to 4 times less pre-training compute. Hybrid CNN transformer models help at smaller scales, but their advantage disappears as the model grows bigger. This highlights a key advantage of visual transformers in large-scale settings. The author further analyzes what vision transformers learn internally. Attention visualizations show that some attention hits attend globally, even in early layers, while others behave similarly to local CNN filters. Additionally, positional embeddings learn meaningful two-dimensional spatial relationships, such as rows and column structures, despite explicit 2D encoding. This provides insight into how transformers adapt surprisingly well to image data. In conclusion, this paper demonstrates that convolution is not strictly required for image recognition. With sufficient data and scale, a pure transformer operating on image patches can match or exceed state-of-the-art CNN performance while being more compute efficient. This work fundamentally changed the direction of computer vision and research and laid the foundation for many modern vision architectures. Thank you so much.